Well, we're back up here in Canada, and my name's Paul Moore. We've had a lot of inquiries after our first couple little filmings there of, do we do any joinery up here in Canada? And well, sure, we do joinery. We do some fine joinery. Our joinery tools are a lot like all our other woodworking tools. We'll use a chainsaw, tack hammer, and some small little brats to hold the joint together when we're done. Now, there's a lot of Canadians that just drop a piece of wood on there and drive that right in there. There's a lot of Americans that do that, but we're going to do some fine finger joinery work up here, and we're going to use our trusty little chainsaw here to do it with. If we can get her going. Now, who needs a router for doing finger joints? We're going to unclamp this and see if we can get her to fit. And if it doesn't fit the first time, that's why you need a hammer. So we're just going to kind of lay it in there. Maybe we'll go this way right here. Get our angles just right. And we'll start tapping here. Sometimes you just got to hit her a little harder and she'll go in there. Sometimes I like to get two hands on this here sledgehammer, but there's what I call a Canadian finger joint. Strong as an ox. In fact, if you want to make it really strong, you can always put one of these tacks in right on the corner here, and that'll strengthen her right up. Anyhow, that's how we do finger joints in Canada.